Where ride the horsemen, death shall follow.
We want nothing of this war, only a return to peace and quiet.
My thirst for knowledge cannot be quenched.
I've outwitted gods. Smashing a glowing rock should be no problem.
You can call me Al.
He's the brains of the operation. Oh, Master, behold all these lives for the taking. The Omniscience may spare them, but I will not.
If you don't ride into battle, you don't ride at all.
From ignorance sprouts insight.
From a place beyond time, and time beyond counting.
To the Nothal realm, I give my all.
Into the dragons.
Takiro.
Keep your enemies close, and your antidotes closer.
Where once was bone, wraith flesh, as far as the eye can see.
By the echo of Nektasha, I'll own your soul.
I've seen the blinding darkness at the center of all light. All enemies fall at the whim of my blade.
You only miss the water when the well runs dry.
All you are is sand in the wind. I will crush my foe as I crush the vigil knights.
The threads of fate are mine to weave.
From the hell of hells I come.
If you want explosions,
Except no substitutes.
My horn is sharp. My pike is sharper still.
The blessing of Nyx gives me all the purpose I require.
That which passes beyond the veil must forever stay.
all can be known, and known by me.
6 eyes, 8 legs, and 1 burning desire.
What I've seen goes far beyond death.
The sword teaches lessons that cannot be unlearned.
By the impurities I come.
I guard the wooded ways.
From the underscape, I rise.
Time and tide, hunter. Wait for no man. The road ahead looks rocky, but that's all right with me.
Those who attract the attention of the gods are made insane.
War is an equation, death the solution. I'll break their spirits and their backs. Where the path branched, you chose unwisely.
Where go the living, the dead soon follow.
It is my spirit that keeps me safe, and not mere armor. Death and destruction in my path. From the frozen pool, I rise. I channel the power of the nether reaches.
I am the intermediary between life and death.
Sniper here. Time for target practice.
Behold the Scourge of Icerack.
I walk alone, with the shadows a company enough.
Enchantress. Light of foot, light of heart. The stars are in alignment, and our victory is certain. I'm here to blur the line between life and death.
Spectre, from another dimension, blind. I shall not rest until I am avenged.
With my brains and your brawn, we'll make an excellent team.
From the primordial consciousness, all came. Return to it. All must.
One little spark, and before you know it, the whole world is burning.
Gaze upon Medusa's beauty and despair.
This should be less tiresome than another age in Chrysalis. If at first you don't succeed, stand closer, shoot again.
What long ago I shattered must be rendered whole.
Ancient apparition, the age of ice begins.
'Twas a great dominatrix. I devote my existence.
I am the midnight of your soul.
There may be many Earths, but there's only one Earth Shaker.
A battlefield is truly a wonderland. It's the perfect time to start a new collection.
I'll scatter my foes like dead leaves in a winter gale.
There can be no battle till axe is at hand. And axe is.
For the flayed twins, I seek blood.
Nothing is safe once it crosses my horizon.
Admiral Conker here, an old vessel, but more than seaworthy.
I was once the scourge of the plains, a terror on the wind. What hope do our enemies think they have?
It is the tentacular one that I shall shun.
There will be pain. There will be screaming.
Where the hidden ones send me, I go without question.
If they want war, then we shall give it to them!
Let them all fall still beneath my shadow.
No job is too big. No fee is too big. Demon fire shall cover these lands.
I'll hear their screams, nothing more.
The odds are with us, or are they?
Drink and be bleary, for tomorrow we die.
That which is arises from that which is not.
Gyrocopter! Spin 'em up!
From Light's Keep! Light's Keep rides!
No foe shall stand against my mission.
Who fears the wolf should fear the forest.
Let's get this over with. I ain't leaving empty-handed.
Ogre Magi!
The very same!
Heed me, and it will go better for you.
The strong shall eat the weak.
To avenge the fallen monastery, I will destroy every magical alliance.
I run with the rabbit and hunt with the hounds.
I've a mind like a steel trap, and the physique to go with it.
An ounce of putrefaction is worth a pound of cure.
I guard what slumbers in the deeps.
Death has no command over me. Thank you for your business. Come again.
The coils of life and death now bind us all. Between your tusks and mine, they won't know what's hit them.
I am sworn to turn the tide wherever I can.
I'm not a lumberjack. This is personal.
They will bleed, and they will burn, and they will learn fear. It is not pride I take in my own power. It is passion.
All hell's broken loose, and I hold the pieces.
Their sanity I'll shatter. Their dreams of conquest I'll destroy.
There are none so stabbed as those who will not see. Stay out of my way and maybe you won't get hurt.
Battle is battle. Why bet against me? You must beat the drum to hear its tale. I feed the darkness, and the darkness feeds me. Who needs legs when you got wings?
Never make a deal with the dragon unless you're prepared to keep your end of it.